They say the stock market is just gambling. And honestly, that's exactly what it feels like to most people. Every year, millions of new traders open their accounts, and 95% of them lose money. Still, every other video online screams, turn $100 into $1,000 in a week. Just 15 minutes a day. You see them and think, if they can do it, why can't I? You try, you trade. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but slowly, your entire balance fades away. So what's the real problem? Is your strategy wrong? Do you need to learn more? Or is the game itself designed for you to lose? Today, we're going to uncover the truth. Because trading isn't just about charts or candlesticks, it's an ecosystem. A multi-billion-dollar machine that profits from your every click, your every reaction, your every emotion. By the end of this video, you'll understand why trading was never designed to make you rich, but to keep you playing. Every time a trader starts losing money, they think, I just need to learn more. They study indicators. They memorize chart patterns. They binge hours of YouTube strategies, Discord servers, algorithmic bots, paid courses. But here's what market data shows. Out of all retail traders who made hundreds of trades in a year, the majority lost money. Only a tiny percentage ended up profitable, and even then, just barely. So no, the problem isn't the strategy. The problem is that you're learning the rules of a game you don't understand. At its core, the stock market is a massive demand-supply machine. Every single day, millions of trades happen, but the market only moves when big money moves, when massive volumes flow in one direction. You might think, if a million small traders each invest a few $100, that's huge demand, but it doesn't work that way. Retail traders, small investors, trade at random times, in random stocks and random directions. Meanwhile, a single institutional trader might drop $100 million on one stock in 1 second. That's the move that actually shifts the market. Those massive trades become visible signals. And the rest of us? We just chase them. Retail traders don't drive the market. They follow it. And that's exactly how they get trapped. Because the market wants you to chase. It wants you to react. To get greedy when it's green. To panic when it's red. That's how it creates liquidity, the lifeblood of the system. Your role isn't to move prices. Your role is to feed the machine. Every buy, every sell. It's a small drop of fuel that keeps the engine running. And here's the scary part. Whether you win or lose, the system still profits. Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. The broker. The broker always wins. They charge brokerage fees, transaction fees, interest on margin. Whether you're up or down, they earn. Big-name brokers in the US report billions of dollars in revenue every year from you. Step 2. The exchange. That's where your trade gets executed. NYSE, NASDAQ, or any other major exchange. Each match between a buyer and seller generates a transaction fee. Even pennies per trade, multiplied by billions, become massive profits. Step 3. The clearing corporation. They verify that money and shares actually switch hands. And yes, they charge for that too. Step 4. The depository. Your shares sit in a digital account, and those accounts come with maintenance and service fees. So every move you make, every click you press, someone, somewhere, collects a fee. And as long as you keep trading, the cycle continues. But the real game is being played above you. There are players you can't see. Institutions, market makers, billionaires. They have more data, faster systems, and infinite capital. They understand your behavior, your habits, your emotions. And they bet against you before you even act. You think you're playing against the market. In reality, you're just a pawn in their simulation. And yet, trading has become an online obsession. Scroll through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram, you'll see endless promises. $200 a day with this strategy. 1. Trade for a new iPhone. Join my VIP Signals group. Guaranteed jackpot call. But behind the filters and flashy graphics lies the biggest trap of all. Most of these influencers aren't full-time traders. Their real income doesn't come from the market. It comes from selling dreams, courses, affiliate links, mentorship programs, paid signal groups. Their profit screenshots? Fake. Their success stories? Scripted. You only see the wins. You never see the sleepless nights, the breakdowns, the failed trades, and the fear. They don't sell you truth. They sell you hope. Because the more you doubt yourself, the more you consume their content. You join their webinars, buy their courses, and chase the next secret strategy. And when you lose again, you blame yourself, not the system. But the system is designed exactly this way, to keep you trapped in a loop. The first loss in trading is your money. But the biggest loss is your mind. You enter the market with logic, but emotion takes over. When you win, you feel powerful. Your confidence spikes. You take bigger risks. When you lose, you panic. You try to recover instantly. And just like that, you fall into the addiction cycle. Trading starts to feel like control, but slowly. It begins controlling you. That's why trading isn't just about knowledge. It's about mental strength, patience, and discipline. And most people fail right there. So, what's the way out? Yes, trading is high risk, high stress. But that doesn't mean making money is impossible. You just have to stop believing the social media fantasy. Step 1. Focus on real education. Candlesticks and charts are just the surface. You also need to understand economics, interest rates, global events, and risk management. That kind of knowledge doesn't come from a 60-second reel. It comes from patience and time. Step 2. Learn risk management. Professionals follow one simple rule: never revenge trade. Never overtrade after a win. Set stop losses. Control your position size. It might sound boring, Achiro, but boredom is where professionals win and amateurs lose. Step 3. Test, analyze, repeat. Does your strategy work in past market conditions? Do you record every trade? If not, you're guessing, and guessers don't last long. Finally, understand your goal. Trading isn't a shortcut to wealth. It's a full-time career that demands full-time dedication. If your goal is financial freedom, focus on long-term investing. Build a portfolio. Invest in index funds, mutual funds, high-growth stocks. Automate your contributions. Diversify into bonds, real estate funds, and global assets. The market will always go up and down, but consistency beats chaos. Maybe you've lost $50 or $500. Consider it your tuition fee. The market doesn't give degrees. It gives scars. And those scars teach the most valuable lessons of all. Trading can make money, but not for everyone. Until you understand the system, you're not playing the market. The market is playing you, so what do you think? Is trading a skill or just a beautiful illusion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe for more truths the market doesn't want you to know.